Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now in the menu, find the option called heart rate and tap on it to open the heart rate widget. Now I'm gonna place the finger on the sensor and tap on this icon right here to start measurement. By default, it should start measuring the heart rate automatically, but if it doesn't, you can tap on this button right here. Okay, I was waiting for it to stop the measurement, but it looks like it's measuring the heart rate in real time, so that's why the number jumps around. But once it stabilizes, it should be your current heart rate. As you can see, is around 60. And once you're done measuring the heart rate, you can always press the crown button to go back to watch face. But before that, you can also swipe up on the screen and check more statistics like resting heart rate and heart rate range. You can also see the heart rate zones, like that, and you have some more information about the heart rate. Okay, and like I said before, once you're done measuring, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.